In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to research your competitors' top-performing topics and identify high-value content gaps. I start by asking Perplexity to identify the 5 most popular blog categories currently driving traffic to HubSpot. As the results come in, the AI identifies AI marketing and tools as a top priority because the audience is rapidly adopting automation for content creation. It also highlights SEO strategy and blogging as essential pillars that maintain a strong search demand and high authority profile for their site. Now I want to find specific gaps, so I ask for a comparison between Salesforce and HubSpot to identify high-value topics that are missing from HubSpot's marketing blog. The resulting comparison table reveals 3 distinct opportunities in AI customer service, data activation, and developer education. Salesforce holds an edge in these areas by providing more technical, deep dive content on platform building and automated support workflows. These findings give me a strategic list of content opportunities to target, allowing me to address high-intent business searches that my competitors aren't fully capturing yet. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.